Welcome to your English podcast. I'm Emily, and today my friend Jack and I will talk about a simple but powerful way to improve your English fluency, practicing thinking in English for just 5 minutes every day.
Hi, everyone. I've been trying to speak English better, but sometimes I get stuck because I translate everything in my head first.
That's very common, Jack. But did you know that translating slows you down? The secret is to practice thinking directly in English.
Think in English? How do I do that? It sounds difficult.
It's easier than you think. You just need to spend a few minutes every day describing what you see or think in English. For example, you can say, I see a tree, or the sky is blue.
So I just describe things silently in my head?
Exactly. It trains your brain to use English words naturally instead of translating.
What if I don't know the word for something?
That's okay. You can describe it in other words or say, I don't know the word. Over time, you'll learn more words naturally.
That sounds doable, but sometimes I forget or get distracted.
Setting a reminder on your phone or practicing at the same time every day helps make it a habit.
Can we try it now?
Sure. Look around and tell me 3 things you see.
I see a laptop, a coffee cup, and a notebook.
Great. Now say how you feel.
I feel a little nervous because I'm practicing English.
That's normal. What will you do after this?
I will eat lunch and then study English.
Good job. You're already thinking in English. How do you feel now?
A little more confident. It's easier than I thought.
The more you practice, the easier it gets. Here's why. When you translate, your brain works twice. First in your language, then in English, which slows you down.
Yes, sometimes I know what I want to say, but it takes time to find the right English words.
When you think directly in English, you skip that extra step, so you speak faster.
How often should I practice?
Every day if possible, even just 5 minutes.
What if I don't have a quiet place?
You can practice silently anywhere, on the bus, walking, or before sleeping. Just describe what you see or think.
That's helpful. I can do that anywhere.
Also try imagining conversations like meeting a new friend. Think, hi, my name is Jack. Nice to meet you.
So I practice both describing real things and imagining conversations.
Exactly, both help your brain use English naturally.
What if I make mistakes in my thoughts?
Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is to keep using English. You can correct yourself slowly.
Thanks, Emily. I'll start my 5-minute thinking practice today.
Awesome. You'll see progress soon.
Hey, Emily. I started practicing thinking in English every day like you suggested. But sometimes my mind goes blank and I don't know what to say next.
That's completely normal, Jack. When you start, your brain isn't used to thinking in English yet. It's like training muscles that haven't been used.
So, what should I do when my mind goes blank?
A great way is to prepare some simple go-to questions or sentences you can use anytime. They help keep your thoughts flowing.
Can you give me some examples?
Sure. Like, what do I see around me? How do I feel right now? What will I do next? What did I do today? What is my favorite food? What do I like to do in my free time? When you get stuck, start answering one of these.
That sounds helpful. I can prepare answers too?
Yes. And over time, you'll make your own sentences more easily.
Sometimes I think in very short sentences or just words. Is that okay?
Absolutely. Even single words help your brain adjust. Just try to add more words over time.
Like instead of car, I can say, the car is red?
Exactly. That builds your sentence skills naturally. Let's try a quick exercise. I'll give you a word and you make a sentence.
Okay.
The word is weather.
The weather is sunny today.
Great. Now, book.
I like to read a book before sleeping.
Perfect. One more. Food.
My favorite food is pasta.
Awesome. See? Your brain is already thinking in English.
I want to speak faster but get nervous and slow down. Any tips?
Practice thinking silently first, then speaking aloud when ready. Also, focus on communicating, not perfection.
That helps. I'll be patient with myself.
Listening helps too. Listen to simple English, pause, and think about what you heard.
I'll try that. It connects listening and thinking.
Don't worry if you miss a day. Consistency over time matters more than perfection.
That's reassuring.
How long until thinking in English feels natural?
Depends on practice. Maybe weeks or months. Keep going. Thanks, Emily. Your advice motivates me.
You're doing great. Keep practicing daily.
Hi, Emily. I'm practicing thinking in English every day, and I feel I'm getting better. But sometimes I get frustrated because I want to think in more complex sentences, and my vocabulary feels small.
That's a good point, Jack. Building vocabulary is important. The great news is your thinking practice helps you learn new words naturally.
How does that happen?
When you describe things or your feelings, you may realize you don't know a word. That's your chance to learn it. Look it up or remember it, then try to use it next time.
Sometimes I don't have time to write words down, though.
That's okay. You can keep a mental note and learn it later. And you don't need many words at once, just a few daily.
I also notice I think in simple phrases like I happy instead of I am happy. How do I improve?
Listening helps a lot. When you hear correct English regularly, on podcasts, movies, or conversations, your brain picks up sentence patterns naturally.
So I should listen and think at the same time?
Yes! Repeat sentences aloud or in your mind to make speaking and thinking easier. Here's a challenge. During your 5 minutes, describe your day in full sentences.
Like today I woke up early, I ate breakfast, then I went to work?
Exactly. Add details too, like the weather was sunny and warm.
That will help me speak longer sentences.
Also, don't be shy to speak English aloud. It builds confidence. Mistakes are normal.
What if I get stuck on a word when speaking or thinking?
Describe it with simpler words. If you forget refrigerator, say the cold box in the kitchen where you keep food.
That's clever. It keeps conversations going.
Try imagining conversations like planning what you'll say to a friend.
I like that. It makes thinking practice more fun.
Set small goals and reward yourself to stay motivated.
Small rewards will help me keep going.
And always remember your reason for learning English.
My goal is to work internationally and travel more.
That's a great motivation. Keep it in mind.
Thanks, Emily. I'm more confident now.
Keep practicing and enjoy the journey.
Hey, Emily. I've been practicing thinking in English every day, but sometimes I get tired or distracted. How can I stay focused?
That's a common challenge, Jack. One way to stay focused is to create a comfortable and quiet space for your practice when possible.
But sometimes I'm busy or on the go, and it's hard to find quiet time.
That's okay. You can practice silently in your mind anywhere, on the bus, walking, or waiting in line. Just describe what you see or what you plan to do next in English.
So even when I'm busy, I can think in English quietly?
Exactly. For example, if you're on a bus, you might think, I see many people. The bus is moving fast.
I like that. Sometimes I forget to practice. Any tips?
Try setting daily reminders on your phone or linking your English practice to daily habits like brushing your teeth or before bed.
I can practice before sleeping. That sounds good.
Many learners find that helpful. Also, technology can assist you, apps, podcasts, or recording yourself thinking in English.
Recording myself? How does that help?
Listening to yourself helps you notice mistakes and builds confidence. You can even keep a voice diary.
That's a great idea.
Flashcards are useful too. Review new words and make sentences with them during your thinking practice.
So when I see a flashcard, I try to make a sentence with the word.
Exactly. Like, I feel happy today because the sun is shining.
How do I use English in daily life more naturally?
Try naming things while cooking, shopping, or doing chores. Practice talking to yourself in English, asking and answering simple questions.
Even if my friends don't speak English.
Yes, practice silently in your mind or translate parts of conversations.
What if I get stuck on grammar?
Don't stress about grammar when thinking. Focus on expressing yourself. Grammar improves with time.
Thanks, Emily. Your tips really help.
Keep practicing and enjoy the process, Jack.
Emily, I'm really glad we've talked so much about thinking in English. I've been practicing for weeks now and I see progress.
That's fantastic, Jack. What kind of changes have you noticed?
I feel I speak faster and sometimes I think in English without trying. It feels more natural,
That's exactly what happens when your brain gets used to English. You're rewiring your thinking.
but sometimes I still hesitate or look for words.
That's perfectly normal. Even native speakers do that sometimes.
Good to know I'm not alone.
Language learning is a journey, not a race. Just keep practicing patiently.
What should I do next to keep improving?
Try gradually increasing your thinking practice from 5 to 10 or 15 minutes.
Okay, that sounds doable.
Also, start thinking about more complex topics, your opinions, feelings, and future plans.
Like, I think learning English is fun because it helps me meet new people.
Exactly. That builds deeper skills and vocabulary.
Should I write more in English too?
Yes, writing supports thinking and speaking. Keep a journal if you can.
I'll do that.
Practice speaking with friends or tutors too, even if you feel nervous.
I do get nervous sometimes.
That's normal. Mistakes are part of learning.
How do I stay motivated?
Set goals and reward yourself when you reach them. Celebrate small wins.
Good idea.
And always remind yourself why you want to learn English.
My goal is to work internationally and travel.
Perfect motivation. Keep that in mind.
Thanks so much, Emily. I feel ready to keep going.
You're doing great, Jack. Keep practicing and enjoy the journey. Thanks for listening to your English podcast. Practice thinking in English daily and watch your fluency grow. See you next time.